two ways to turn off VoiceOver on the iPhone 16 series. Now, the easiest way to turn off VoiceOver is to ask Siri to switch it off. Now, you can press and hold on the side button here and ask Siri, turn off VoiceOver.
Okay, VoiceOver is now off.
Okay, so that's easy. You can just say, hi Siri, or you can use the side button to ask Siri to switch it off. Now, if you do not have Siri turned on, you're going to need to manually switch it off through the settings menu. So here I will switch it back on. Turn on VoiceOver. Okay, so now VoiceOver is on. And if you are not on the home screen, what you can do is you can swipe at the bottom up and just above the search button, and as you swipe up, just hold for a second until you feel a small vibration or haptic feedback. Then you can let go of your fingers. So let's do it now and take a look. So I'm going to swipe up. I'm going to swipe up and hold. And as soon as I feel there is a vibration, I'll let go of my finger. Okay, so you can also use 3 fingers on the home screen to go back and forth to a different screen page, like this.
Page 2 of 5. Tap back. Page 3 of 5. Weather. Page 2 of 5.
And here, on this screen page, I can see there is a settings icon. So you tap on settings app once.
Settings. 4 new items.
Once it is selected,
Double tap to open.
You can double tap to open as suggested right there.
Settings, accessibility,
okay,
back button.
In settings, I'm going to go back to the main settings page. So I double tap on the back key, then double tap again.
Settings.
Okay, so now we're in settings. We're going to go down and tap on accessibility. Now you can use your fingers to swipe up or down. So first, select one of the items in the menu.
General button.
Then
page 3 of
using
3
fingers to swipe down
page 2 of 3.
or swipe
page
up like
3
that.
Of 3.
Okay.
Page 2 of 3.
Now you want to select accessibility.
Accessibility button.
Then double tap.
Accessibility heading.
Now tap on VoiceOver.
VoiceOver on button.
Then double tap.
VoiceOver switch button on.
Then make sure VoiceOver is selected.
Toggle setting.
Then double tap
off.
to turn off VoiceOver. After that, you can now resume your normal navigation. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.